Hey, Gary Guth with BagpipeLessons.net. This is the third video in a series of videos that we're doing on rhythm. We talked about quarter notes, we talked about half notes and whole notes. Today we're going to go in the other direction and we're going to go down to the eighth notes. Now, if you remember your fractions, a quarter note equals 2/8 notes, right? So I'm going to take my each quarter note like this, and I'm going to break them down into eighth notes, and so I'm going to show you an eighth note. Looks like a quarter note, except it has a little flag on it. So let me finish drawing this for you. Okay, so they look like this down here. See, they look like this. So an eighth note has one flag on it. It looks like a quarter note with a flag. However, when you have two eighth notes within the beat, what you do is you bar them together like this, and so eighth notes and 16th notes are always barred within the beat. Okay, you'll never bar an eighth note at the end of beat one to beat two. That'll never happen. Okay, so the way we count eighth notes is like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the number comes first, followed by the and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if I'm in 4/4 time, I'm going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If I'm going to 3/4 time, I'm going 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. And if I'm doing it in 2/4 time, I'm going 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So what you should do is you should now practice. When you're practicing, you're out taking your walk, and while you're taking your walk, you know what, this is an opportunity for you to count rhythm. Okay, and I mean this sincerely. Learning rhythm is like learning a reflex. Okay, you want rhythm to be automatic, and it's a reflex. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is get rhythm ingrained in your person. Okay, so you start up here and you're taking your walk and you're going to count a bunch of whole notes. One, one. What am I doing? I'm sounding the note on one and I'm holding it for 4 beats. One, one, one. See what I'm doing? I'm holding it for 4 beats. Okay, then you're going to do your practice your half notes. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Then your quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then your eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? Musical expression on the bagpipe happens because of rhythm. Okay? And rhythm is so important. I don't know why. Look, the bagpipe's a folk instrument. Okay? Most people teach folk instruments by imitation, by rote and by imitation. The bagpipe is a folk instrument, and it's always been taught by imitation. However, I think if you're a bagpiper, I think your bagpipe career is limited by the number of tunes that you can play. And if you can read rhythm, then you've opened yourself up to thousands of tunes. Okay, and I mean that sincerely. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope you have a great one. If there's anything else I can do for you, please email me or call me on the phone. This is Gary Guth with BagpipeLessons.net for playing the bagpipe on Facebook. Have a great day.